Hey guys, today I'm showing you how I made this top from a flannel that I found secondhand. This is what it looked like on me. As you can see, it's quite large, and that's totally okay because that only means I have more fabric to work with. It was only €4, so. First I started out with ironing everything, and I also washed it beforehand. And then I took off the little pocket, I just seam ripped it off. And then I cut off the sleeves. I could have seam ripped it, but cutting off was much easier and quicker, and I just decided to go for that. I wanted to reuse the sleeves, so I kept them separately. Then I took off the collar. I decided to cut open the side and the shoulder seams as well to have more different scraps of fabric to work with. That's easier for draping. This is what it looked like once I had all those pieces separately, and the sleeves were just stayed intact because I wanted to use them. And then I started draping it on my dress form. It's like the second time I've been draping, and it actually turned out pretty well. There are some things I should keep in mind next time, but I've learned from it, and it was pretty fun to do because usually I draft my patterns. I wanted to teach myself how to drape, so might do that more often in the future. So after that I transferred the back onto the other side of the bag to make it symmetrical, and I marked the dots and I pinned it all in place. And then I traced the front onto the other piece of fabric to have two fronts. And I also marked the dots on that one and pinned it in place. Once that was done, it looked like this. And then I sewed the dots. So then I laid the front and back on top of each other, and I sewed the side and the shoulder seams. I also serged these later, but I didn't show that. Then it was time for the first fitting. As you can see, the back is quite loose, and I fixed that by hemming the neckline with elastic. I didn't show that, and I also hemmed the bottom. Then I took out the sleeves and I did 2 running stitches right next to each other. And I started gathering the sleeves. Once I eased it all in, I just pinned it in place. And I took it to the sewing machine, I sewed this, and later on I serged this edge as well. So then I hemmed the side seams. So I put it on and I decided to go for hooks and eyes as a closure, because first I wanted to make it a wrap shirt, but I didn't have enough fabric left for straps. So I just decided to do hooks and eyes on both the inside and the outside. Once I sewed those in place, it looked like this. So I put it on and marked where to place the outside hooks and eyes. And I put 3 on the outside, and after that, the top was finished. So remember how the flannel looked like on me, all big and kind of ugly. It turned out like this. I'm so happy with it. I've actually worn it a couple of times and I am still pretty in love with it. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!